What's up, guys? Hope everybody is doing fantabulous. At Witbank Dam today at a new launch site for the Outcast Club comp. It's very misty out there this morning. As you can see, guys are trying to launch, but you cannot see. But yeah, it's super misty. So yeah, let's see what we can bring for you guys today, and hopefully get some good footage. So yeah, keep watching and I'll see you guys on the water.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Big fish. Looks like it. Decent fish. Come on. Yeah! Well done! Look at that! Well done, boyke. Throw it in here. Well done. That's a good start. Well done. Junior on my boat's gonna win. What are you on the drop shot?
Yeah.
That's what I like to see. Well done, dude. Introduce yourself to my viewers.
I'm Sandra, I'm from Nigel. I'm 13 years old and I like to go bass fishing.
Show us your face. You got you covered. The people need to see who's gonna beat the bassinator on his own boat. It's misty, it's cold, but the fish are biting, so that's a good sign. Out in the middle. And I go catch a small one. So there's fish here. Let's stay around here a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, I've started with a small one, guys, and the junior here is beating me so far. Also, guys, that was the first fish on the STB Ned rig setup. So yeah, bait one of the box done and dusted. But I'm gonna carry on fishing with it because it looks like this is what they want. Fish on. Jeez, look, and you're getting big fish. Another nice fish for your bag. Yo, don't lift it like that off the water. Rather just swim it towards me and then I'll net it for you. Well done, you're on a roll. Some good fish here, eh?
Yeah. I think I'm going to try it.
Yeah. So guys, caught my second fish on the bait number 2 from the STB box on drop shot. So yeah, not a very big fish, but it will help me a little bit for the competition. So guys, doing the STB slam, I've done 2 baits already on the drop shot and a Ned rig. Yeah, so let's see. Actually, it's actually 3 baits because the Ned rig and the bait was both in the box. So I've actually got 3 items down on the STB box. So looking good so far. And for the competition, yeah, the fish are still small, so I need to find the bigger ones. Yeah, my boat partner over there is looking good with a nice big fish in the tank, and not too bad of a second fish either. So let's see, maybe this boat will take junior winnings and senior winnings, eh? Let's make it happen. Fish on. Well done. And the lighty has got his bag now. 3 fish, well done. Actually, yes. We're both catching, but he's got the nice one in the boat. But throw that Senko and let it. Hey, it's upgrade to my little one.
Yeah.
Top water frog. Guys, as you saw, it is winter, it's cold. I'm still catching on top water frog. Which one was my small one? There we go. Oh, yes, good one. Get that net. Nah, it's not a good one. Thought it was. Oh, it's barely hooked. Put that net there. I doubt it's an upgrade. Felt good. Was not good. On crank, eh? Yeah, that was the STB crank. I didn't even catch on, it was so small. But that's bait number 4 from the STB box. With the Strike King crank that was in the STB box. So yeah, not too shabby, Nige. There we go. I don't know. So it's better for me. I think it's an upgrade for me. Yeah, no upgrade for me. I say. Finally, jeez. Finally. It's not the upgrade I want, but hey, better than nothing. But this is a good spot. Yeah. Oh, this is a better one. Oh, it's an upgrade for me. I think. Maybe not. Jeez, like that. They bite so flippin' nice. Doesn't look like it. Two for 2, second cast.
Oh. They bit my tail.
Tail off. Oh no. Big one. Ay, ay, ay. Lift them up, lift them up. Hey, that's could be an upgrade. This is a Ned rig and that color is coming nicely for you, eh? So guys, yeah, was a tough one at the outcast comp. For myself, I didn't do well at all. I got under a 2 kilo bag for 3 fish. I just couldn't find the big ones. I caught a lot of little fish, but no big ones. The junior that was on the boat with me landed up catching I think a 1 something and 2 other right fish, and I think he came second out of the juniors if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it wasn't a bad day. It was cold in the morning and then it warmed up, so it wasn't too shabby in that manner, but the fishing wasn't easy. So yeah, it is what it is. Dong dong! STB challenge was not easy. I managed, I think it was 4 items, so the Ned rig plus the I can't remember the bait, this bait, the picture that I put up here, and then the crank, I caught a small one. What else was it? Oh, and then the little white fluke minnow thing, that's picture up here. Managed to catch on those. I didn't catch on the, why can't I remember these names? I'm tired. Yeah, but didn't catch on this other bait. I threw it a few times, but it looked like the fish wanted finesse fishing. Caught a lot on the Ned rig, and I caught a lot on that little fluke, and only one on the crank. So yeah, it was a bit hard. So it was a fail for me for the slam, but it is what it is. What can I do? Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and then I'll catch you on the next one.